Good day. Who is here with me? Who is washing? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to you all. Who is washing? Who is here with us? Happy, beautiful Sunday to you all. It's been a while, right? Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's just invite friends. Let's invite one or two friends. Happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. And tuning in from wherever you are jumping in from. Good day to you all. So, who is there? Who is watching? Just say hi, then we know who is watching and where you are joining us from. This is your friend, your sister, Becky Wanje online today. I just want to talk to somebody. I just want to talk to someone out there that thinks that there is nothing he or she cannot do. Guys, there is opportunity going on now. Free registration is going on. Are you ready to be your own boss, to get this your business, to start up a new business without investment? That is why I am here today, to tell you that you can start up your business without investment. Stay healthy, live a healthy lifestyle, and then inspire healthy living around the world. You can start up the business without investing anything, because that is what is going on now. That is the opportunity my company is offering everyone that say yes. Provided you have your phone, your bank account where they can pay in your money, anything you work for every month, you are on the go on this business. Now we all see what is going on. Now many companies are folding, many fabricants are folding because of what is going on. Why can't you grab this opportunity? Why can't you use this opportunity to just change your life, rewrite your story by yourself? Maybe the things that have been happening to you, the thing that is going on where around you or around your family, you don't like it, you can change it. You can change it. You can make things work out again. This is a business that can change your life, that can change your children, you can change your generation. It's not a business that will end in your own time, no. It's a generation business, because now when you come into the business, you said, okay, I am done. I don't want to, for my age, I cannot do it again. Your children can take over because you have built it, and it's a company that can save your pension for you. You don't stress. At the age of your pension, you don't have to look like those people that went to streets to be picking can of water, picking bottle, going to bar. No. And every the same month you earn you earn by this time, at this your age, that is the same time you earn at your what they call it, at retirement, because you know what, they have already saved it for you. You eat, you enjoy, you flex your money because you work for it. Not when you are working highest 1,500 a fabrica will pay you. How much are you going to save for your pension? Light bills, their water bills, their house rent is there. Or is it not high time we stop that mentality? I don't marry and I have my husband, he can take care of me. If he cannot take care of me, why did he decide to marry me? No, this same man have his own family. This same man have what he's doing. This same man is just they say we are the helper. We are a helper. So that thing that make you be a help, you have to help, because when this hand wash this hand, and everything will be neat. Don't just leave everything for that man. That man cannot. He cannot survive it. Not this life that you will see someone tomorrow, next tomorrow you will not see it again. You will be asking, hey, is he sick? What happened to her? What? Because the depression is too much. What is going in through his or her mind is too much. You see nowadays we hear many people commit suicide, not just because they don't have money, not just because what is running into their mind is too. They don't even have someone to share it with. They don't even have someone to communicate with. The thing is just only them. What is inside their upstairs here is too much for them. It's too much for them. So it's high time we start changing our mindset, because it will help you. It will help that same man as well. It's high time we start getting that stupid mentality that I am not a housewife, I am not a married woman, he can do this now. Honey, my people need this. Honey, my this. No. You are not encouraging that man. You are not even supporting that man. You are not telling that man that you are that woman that he see and he fall in love with. This my company is changing life. This my company is helping people. Please guys, I really appreciate the love and the like. Please help me to share. Please just help me to share. Please just click the share button. Please help your sister. There are things you can do. This business is changing. It's changing things. It's changing life. You can help that man. You can support that man. Not just leave everything for that man. Do you want to kill the man? Do you want that man to die for depression? Even the woman as well. There are many women we see now. They will tell you, I am passing through depression. I am passing through this. I am passing through this. Their BP every second they high. Waiting they cause all those nonsense. Just this small life when we just they live. Now when they pass through all these BP things, you will just see a woman just up to 20 something or even 30 years. He tell you that you go check in BP now 100 and something. Are you serious? You just there inside your house. Just they think many things on your upstairs. Just they think many things in your head. Do you know why I love this my business? Not just the business. You see people that you can relate with. You see people that you can talk to. You see people that will even, oh my God, I not see you yesterday first. What did happen? Oh my God, just a call, just hi, good morning, sister. Oh, good morning. How is your family? How is everything? It's something. You don't know her, you don't know him from anywhere, but he just be a friend. He just be there. You all are just those things you are thinking will be out from you. Those things that's giving you headache, that giving you sleepless night, will be out from you. You just there, oh my God, hey, Christmas don't still the rich. And you don't they think, oh, I think this year, oh, I'm going to do this year, and I couldn't meet up. Oh my God, the worst thing. I am telling you that this remaining months, you can use it to change your story. If you say yes to this business, you are not paying any dime. You are not investing to get your website. This is not a company that will tell you that you have to pay this, or you have to at the end you have to pay this to get your website. They want to create office for you. They want to create. No, you are not paying anything. There are a lot of women out there. A lot of women out there that even getting problem about their ovulation, about their this one will say, I am into close to menopause, I am menopause. They are getting different health issue. If you come into this business, you will have the products, and you will be getting paid for setting all those your system, for just to immune your health system, those your system that is not settled. You are now getting all those in touch of every of your cell. You are getting in touch enough that, and you are getting paid for it. And you are still looking, these people, what are they? I beg you, these people are scam. Are you still having that mentality that these people are scam? They are not scam, my brothers and sisters. We are not scam. This company is not a scam. It's a reality. When I mean reality, it's real, legit. We all are living life of a legit here. So if you are out there, you are still thinking, oh my God, how I go to do it now, how I want to do this thing, how I want to work out, how it go to happen. I am here telling you that once, it's only you that can change your life. It's only you. Once you say yes, the step you make is determine what you want in your life. That same position you are 2020, is it not enough for you? That position you are 2019, are you not ready to move to the next level? Are you not ready to change that step? Now my husband and I see they carry my paper, they work, I never get work. Fine. Create a job with your hand. This opportunity, this business is here to change that story for you. There are a lot of people we have, like some of my friends, my family that live. All right, after this live, I will send you I will send you my number after this live. Thank you so much. Please just help me to share. I see your comment or message. I will send it to you. So I see a lot of our family, my friend, my sisters, my lovers, my fans in Italy. They still carry their documents. Oh, I never see contracts to renew. I never see this. I not see how I want to do. My dear, this company will help you to pay your tax. Just sign up in this company. Your quote, you'll be having your quote. If you use it if you want to buy house, you want to rent house, you want to do anything with your quote, they will do it for you. This is not a company that, because we know how much every month they pay up to 400 every month for every of our member that join from Italy. That is their tax payment. They pay it for them every month. Just because of why you eat healthy, you stay healthy, you are living a healthy life with this company, and you are telling people what you are taking, the company is paying your tax. You have a document, for long you have that document, you are not working, there's no opportunity for you to pay tax, this company is paying it for you, and you are still thinking, that this company is still a scam. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. Please, this is really unbelievable. This company is not a scam, my sister. It's not a scam, my brother. It's legit. To be honest, it's legit. A lot of people out there that people have for joy every blessed day. If you are getting 100 euro every month in this company, calculate it for 12 months. If you are getting 50 euro every month, that just say this one come out from my pocket. This is what just come out from my pocket, and I am getting it every month. It's from my pocket. I am getting it every month. Won't you appreciate the company that give it to you? A company you did not invest on. You did not invest 1 naira on it. You did not invest to get your website or to get your office for them to create your website or your link, whatever. You did not invest any dime. And every month you get 50 euro from them, or 100 euro, or 200 euro. It depends on your effort. That is what you get every month. And you are there still thinking that what these people are doing, and this thing is a scam, and this thing are begging, and so then they talk out. Try it. You know what they pay me for we Africa? Then person if you just come out, you go say, Anti-pressure. You don't hear about that thing when they talk. You don't hear that. I beg forget it. I saw that they talk about my user. I mean, I saw it be. Hey, I don't do the business. I saw it be. You when it try, and you will just use and just take conclude. Person tell me, I saw Vivian tell me that very day. Say I saw the thing bill. You are precious. Have you tried it? Have you used the product? Have you tried the business? So now that thing, now they kill our own. Now they kill our dream. Fellow human being, your friend, your sister, fellow human being will just kill your dream. It could just make your day miserable. It could just useless your day. You just wake up with that motivation that this is what I'm going to do today. This is what my day is going to be. One call will just spoil your day, and you will just allow that thing to happen. Gone in those days when we allow someone to take away our joy, we allow someone to spoil our mood. No. They say what you are up to today, what you are today, is what you tell yourself that you want to be. If you tell yourself that I want to be a next level, next tomorrow, next level, 4 days time, next week, I want to achieve this, I want to be here. Believe me, your mentality will be different. Your thinking will be different. Everything about you will be different. Your effort in anything you are doing will be different, because you know you have already drawn a map that, oh, this map, I have this map. This is what I'm going to achieve in 2 weeks' time. Believe me, from today till that 2 weeks, everything about you, everything, when I mean all your everything about you will change, because you know what you are working towards on. You know what you want to achieve. You know the map you have already drawn, that this thing is what I want to get. Don't just let someone spoil your day. Don't just let someone spoil your dream. Because you know why? The very day you were born, there is something that God put in you. I don't believe that a human being can take that thing away. It's only you and your God know what you have in your know what you can do and know what you have. When you have a dream, can someone kill your dream? If you give someone a chance, someone will kill your dream. But if you say no, nobody can kill my dream, you will work towards it until you achieve your dream. All these successful men we hear, all these successful women we hear their name, do you think they just sit or lie down every blessed day, or here receiving this one, say this one, don't say this one, say they call rubbish call, watching YouTube, watching who made it and who don't make it, gossip that made them to be successful today? No. There are steps they take, there are people they follow, there are things they do that made them successful today. So if you know you are following friends, or you have friends that are not contributing to your success, my sister, my brother, it is that time you delete them, you block them. That's why they don't contribute to your success, they don't contribute to your happiness. You delete them out. Make I hear your own, make I hear your own. Night and day, you can never hear their own, and they now then holy pass you. No. All those friends are not people to call a friend. You take them out and follow people that are successful already. So you will be achieving your dream. You will be dreaming big. Because if you dream big, you will live a large life. You live a big life. I hate to dream small. I don't dream small. How I go dream small? I dream big. I see myself in a very mighty place, and that is my dream. Imagine myself, oh my God, see where I'm supposed to, see where I could just picture that place. It's okay, now here I won't be. And that is my dream, and I must, as far as I don't picture that place, I don't see that place, I will walk, I will climb that ladder to be there. Because my thinking, everything about me now it don't stand. Now there they think, now there I won't go, now there everything about me now don't stand now, because now that thing I they see exactly that time. And that thing I won't work on. I won't get them, and I will work towards it. Because I don't dey hungry to get that thing. I don't dey hungry. My sister, as you be so, you no get money when they say you get, they say this money no dey enough. It dey always long. You will hear when they say this person money long. Then use two head take on life. Still not this same one head when you take on, not be the take on. Why your money not go long? Why you not go rich? Why you not go live big life? Why God not go put smile for your face? If God won't bless person, they ask they ask where he from come. God not even know the village, he don't know the mama, he don't know papa. If he won't bless you, go bless you, boom. I been blessing. He blessing when we say he no get they finish. Oh. So if you get this opportunity now, you get this opportunity around you when they sing, they use it enough for your day every day. That there is this business can change your story. This business can change your life. You still they think say these people now scam, then they lie, then they do this. No. Because of all these things when they happen, all these companies when they food, all these stores when they food, all these they will say you're not supposed to sell this, you're not supposed. People know they even meet up with the task of the what they call it, their stores. People know they feel meet up with the task. People know they feel meet up with things now. Now you can't they give everybody depression for house. Not that they don't get get the shop, now they get the shop, now they join before because of things when can they happen now. Nobody can they feed the meet up with the rent. Because how many people can who won't buy, who won't do this? But the best thing now, instead of it to they get that depression, oh my god, now this thing I be won't do now this, my dear, generally join this business. I don't ask you to close or to stop your work or to shut down your shop or to fold down your company. No. Take this business as a plan B or plan C and see what thing it go give you at the end. You join this business 6 months, you never achieve what you dream. You know, say, like I always tell anybody, if they come into this business, have a dream, draw a map. In 6 months, now what thing I won't get for this business be this, and work towards it. You will have it. Your determination take you to your higher level. Your consistency bring everything you need to your downstairs. Your struggle, you're passionate in what you are doing. In anything you are doing, passionate on it, do it the best, put your best in it. And you will see everything work towards, everything will be falling in places and in places for you. To be honest, because this business, if you know, sometimes when I go there inside, some people when they talk their story, they go say, now she bring me come, they give me joy, and they happy. As far as I say, I cannot see you, I give you, no be I send you 200 euro, I send you 100 euro, I send you 500 euro. I cannot be teaching you. I cannot be giving you fish. It's better I teach you how to fish. That is the best I can do. I teach you how to fish. So you will be fishing in that place. You will be getting your own. Not if I never did okay, I no go give you. No. That is why I am here. To tell you that this business, my dear brothers and sisters, you can do it. Give it a chance. Give it a thought. Think about it. And you will not just sign in. They will just abandon you. No. They will train you until you become professional you want to be. We have a training zone. We have methods, great method, all there that's up there that can teach you grade by grade. We don't need a master degree holder to come and do this business, or PhD, no, or professor, no. As far you get phone, you fit talk, you fit receive talk, you fit talk to person, you fit dey eat, you dey waka, you don do this business. He get who carry this English come from a mama mama's tummy or where how I want to put am. No, any language. This company get 10 to 11 languages when we say people when they pay when they translate for you. If you cannot speak English, speak this language. They will translate it. People out there when they speak different 10, 11 different languages when they speak. And this company is into 60-something country. Believe me, it will change your life. It will change your story. We all have children. We have for Africa. We have for Europe. Now, how many years we go take work, they give the one to Africa, come work, they keep the one they do for Europe. Mostly women be women. Any woman when they enter that labor room, come back first, second, third, fourth. Believe me, body not be body again. Now not be water they use now. Now water they run inside that body. I been iron the inside. You know go fit use woman take you know go use body when you don't take born 1, 2, 3. Take compare who just get when never born at all. You go tell me say where you dey work, in they stand they work 8 hours. You go work and how you know go fit work 8 hours when you dey work. Now time oh, I give you time. You go come tell the story. But the best opportunity for you, they do 4 hours for that company. They use the remaining hours till they do this business. Do them because you know nowadays. You see why I love this business and why I continue to hit this business for women be woman. Any mother when get, you're not supposed to do 8 hours and leave your daughter. Because if there is an age when you go reach, mama, I need to reach grant. Mama need to know what they happen. But if mama not there, mama they work. Not just mama be the work, not being be the problem, or mama, why you work, I blame you when you work. No. Mama be the work, make food, make it support papa, make it support this. But there is a limit when mama go work. The children don't they grow. Mama, I need to reach grant for them. But if mama they do this business, sorry. No, it's okay like this. No, leave it like this. If mama they do this business, they work. As mama they work, mama they still they do this business small. Believe me, mama I go reach grant. Mama go know wetin dey happen. Mama go know when it starts. Mama go know when it never starts. Because any woman when get pikin when don't reach 11 years, 12 years, the woman I need to reach grant for where that's her daughter dey. Because now the daughter don't need mama. There are things you need to talk to mama for. There are things you need to share with mama. There are things you need to talk to mama. Not being when mama come back, mama just for bed, they tired. Time no day for her to share that, those to ask mama. Mama see waiting experience today. Mama see her body, mama see. But if mama not there, how you go to talk to her? So now I made this business. You need to give a thought to this business. You need to think about this business that I'm talking to. So you will enjoy it. You will enjoy every step you make to grab this opportunity. So my brothers and sisters, I will not take much of your time. On my sister, I know me. I know they take on our time. And I really appreciate you all. Hey, this month of August, they don't finish. Now they follow me from day one. My God, we bless una beyond una imagination. Every of our dream must surely come true. In short, today, una joy is already full. Thank you all. Just help me to click the share button and remain blessed and have a beautiful day. Love you all and have a blessed day ahead.